Hi there, students. Protean. Could also be said Protean, but I think I'm going to go for Protean. Protean is an adjective. It means something that changes very easily. It's continually changing. So a good actor is Protean, can take on all sorts of different roles. They're continuously changing. A Protean comedian gives various different characters. Okay, so Protean, some are able to change very frequently and very easily. Something that has various different faces, various different facets. It's a positive adjective, meaning versatile, capable of assuming many forms. So if you have Protean abilities, you can do many different things. Yeah, you have the ability to always change your nature or your behavior or your appearance. So as a model, she is so Protean. She is always changing from one look to another. Very variable, very versatile, very easily for her it's very easy to take on different shapes. Yeah, to assume different roles. So I think when you're speaking language, you need to have certain Protean abilities to be able to understand people speaking in different languages. Yeah, he loved to show off his Protean talent. Yeah, it exhibits wide variety, wide diversity. I guess the metamorph is the definition of Protean. So changeable, variable, versatile, ever-changing, many-sided, polymorphic, multiform. Yeah, his work has a very Protean nature. It's very all-round. Yeah, it has various different things. Okay, so it's good to have Protean abilities to be able to do all sorts of different things. Life is Protean in itself because it has many different aspects, and we need to adapt to those aspects and deal with them as best we can. Okay, let's see. Protean. It sounds a little bit literary. I'm probably going to give it a 6.5. Let's see, informally versatile, changeable. Yeah, you could just about use it in a semi-formal conversation, use it in a semi-formal or formal writing without any problem, with something literary very good. And then as to origin, this comes from ancient Greek, from Proteus, meaning literally the first. Now Proteus was a sea god. He was one of the earliest gods, the gods of the seas, of the rivers, of the oceans. And he also was the person who looked after all of the different animals or creatures in the sea. And also very often Proteus was associated with the changes. The sea can look really calm, and then 12 hours later you've got a raging storm. Okay, so this is the idea of Protean, like Proteus. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Protean.